Today we have another knitted technique where there will be a bridge, in other words, some common beads, more than one, between the diamonds, and it will be a two-color project. And let's start. For the first step, we are adding 9 black seed beads, 11-0. I have decided for black to be the first one, but it's really up to you what colors you use. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this would be step 1. You start with 9 seed beads, and now we create the first picot. To create the first picot, as we usually do, we skip the last 3 and we go back up through the 4th one, and this is our work at the end of step 2. For step 3, we need to close the loop, and here we will also include the bridge. So we pick up a black one, 2 red ones, and 1 black. The 2 red ones will act as the bridge, and we go back, we close the loop by going back through the last seed bead. This is our work at the end of step 3. To go back, we have to create the top loop, and for the top loop we will have 3 black seed beads plus 2 red ones. So 3 black, 2 red, and we go back down through the bridge of 2. Okay, now for step 5 we have to create the loop that takes the work back up, and for this we are just adding 8 red seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, and from this position we are just going back through the last red one. Let me give a little more. Okay, like this. Okay, this is at the end of step 5. For step 6, we are at the top, we have to go back down, and we are just going to add 5 black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 black seed beads. In this case, the bridge, we find it as we skip 1 and will be bead 2 and 3. This is the bridge. This is at the end of step 6, and step 7 means that we have to create the picot, the black picot in this case, and we pick up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 black seed beads. And to create the picot, we skip 3 and go back up through the fourth. Okay, and this is the basic sequence, and we have to repeat from step 3 to step 7. Let's make another sequence together. So from here we have to create at step 3 the loop to go back up, and we have 1 black, 2 red, 1 black. Here at the top we skip 1 black, or 3 black from the top, is really up to you. This was step 3. For step 4 we have 3 black, 1, 2, 3, 3 black, 2 red, and go back down through the bridge, so the 2 red ones. Okay. For step 5 we create the big loop back up with 8 red seed beads. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we connect it with the first red seed bead. Okay. For step 6 we have to bring the work back, so we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black, and we create the bridge, and we skip 1 red, and the next 2 reds are the bridge. This is at the end of step 6, and then the last step to end the sequence, it will be the step which creates the picot, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, this being step 7, 2, 4, 5. Because we create a picot, it means that we skip 3 and go back up the 4th, sorry. And this is the sequence after 2 repetitions, and we just continue with step 3 now, going back with the loop, which is 1 black, 2 reds, 1 black, and connect here. We skip 1 from the bottom or 3 from the top, and we just continue. I think this is a very nice pattern. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will try and find a way of sharing the chart with you. I'm not sure how I do that, but maybe I'll find a way. Thank you. Bye bye.